In this tutorial, I will show you how to download Adobe Illustrator for free in your PC or Mac. First, open the link in the description below. Then you will see Adobe's page. First, choose your country, then click on Start Free Trial. Then you get these three options: individual, business, and students and teachers. Then choose individual plan for single device. Or you can choose business plans for multiple devices. I'll choose the individual option, which gives you a 14-day free trial, plus a 30-day free trial of Adobe stock. Take it and click Continue. Enter your email address and click Continue. Fill out the required information, including your card details. But don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until free trial ends. Now click on Agree and Subscribe. Then you'll see this screen. Make sure to create a password from here. Then click second link in description and download Creative Cloud app from here. Install it and log in with the same email ID. Then open it and go to the apps section and install Illustrator from here. That's enough for today's video. Bye. Have a nice day.